if the current flowing through the following circuit was 2 amps, what is the resistance? Now you can see in the circuit that's drawn, it's a series circuit. There's only one possible path for the current to flow. So that means the current is constant. It's 2 amps at all points on that series circuit. 2 amps down here, it's always going to be 2 amps because there's only one possible flow for the traffic. So we're going to use Ohm's law. Now Ohm's law is straightforward. My voltage is equivalent to my current times the resistance. Now we know our total voltage. I call that V0. And if I'm using total voltages, I should pair that with total values in my formula. So in other words, total voltage is total current times total resistance. So what do we have? We have the total current, which is the current through the circuit, it never changes. And we have total voltage. Let's figure out what R0 is. What's the total resistance? R0, when I solve Ohm's law, is just my total voltage divided by my total current, which will be 12 volts divided by 2 amps, which gives me 6, and the units for resistance is ohms. Now if you look at the circuit, it's series, and we know that in series, R series is simply R1 plus R2 plus R3. We add all those resistors together. R series is my total resistance in series, which we've just figured out to be 6. So the left-hand side is 6 ohms. Doesn't matter what R1, R2, and R3 are. Let's assume we're trying to solve for R3. R1 is 2 ohms. R2 is 3 ohms. What's R3? And if you drop all the units, you see that we have 6 equals 5 plus R3, which means R3 is 1 ohm.